بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر.
This surah is Makki and comprises 3 ayat verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. O Prophet, surely we have given to you Al-Kawthar. Kawthar literally means abundance of good things. It is also the name of a river in paradise that, according to authentic hadith, will be given under the control of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and he will distribute its drink among the believers of his ummah. Both meanings are possible here, as the Holy Prophet ﷺ was given all good qualities and was also promised to have the river of Kawthar in his charge. So offer salah, prayer to your Lord, and sacrifice. As a means of gratefulness to the bounties conferred upon the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he was directed to worship Allah, especially in the form of salah and sacrifice of animals. Surely it is your enemy whose traces are cut off. Since the Holy Prophet ﷺ had no male child alive, some unbelievers like Ash ibn Wa'il called him Abtar, a person without offspring, and remarked that having no progeny, he and his mission will be forgotten after him. This verse replies this remark by saying that he and his mission will remain alive forever, while his enemy himself will become Abtar in the sense that he will be forgotten and no one will remember him with a good description.